Good Tuesday, everyone. This is meteorologist Dave Snyder at the National Weather Service with Alaska statewide weather. Cold air up across the North Slope continues to slowly slink southward, heading toward the Yukon River Delta. A lot of that cold air working out over the Chukchi Sea and eventually through the Bering Strait and southward through the Bering as we go through the remainder of the week. In the meantime, another weather boundary sitting right across the Alaska Range is allowing moisture to build into south-central Alaska. Periods of moderate to heavy rain have been passing through the Anchorage area, and more is coming into the eastern side of the Kenai Peninsula into Prince William Sound, as well as some heavier winds as we go into Wednesday night and Thursday morning. Been watching some rainfall across southwestern Alaska this afternoon, and several other waves of low pressure sitting out across the northern parts of the Pacific and the western Gulf of Alaska. Both of those somewhat weak, but the one in the North Pacific at 988 millibars is a little bit stronger. Looking ahead to tonight, stronger southerly flow shapes up across the northern Gulf, and we'll start to see some periods of heavier rainfall working into Prince William Sound and the eastern parts of the Kenai Peninsula. In fact, by Thursday, we could be talking about 2.5 inches of rain for places like Whittier and Seward, so a pretty decent soaking is in the offing. Gale force winds are expected by Thursday morning, though, maybe as early as Wednesday evening, in fact, and for some parts of the southeastern Prince William Sound region, winds could come up to around 50 miles per hour. Some areas in the northern Gulf are also expected to reach storm force winds as we head into Wednesday night and again Thursday morning. We're going to see a scattering of thunderstorms across the Alaska Range, both on the north and south side. A better chance on the north and western side as you head out into the YK and then stretching into the central and eastern interior. We're also watching for some snow showers across the northern sections of Alaska, including Barrow tomorrow. You could be looking at some light snow showers. Some of that may mix in with rain as we get into the afternoon. Looking at southeast, things have been pretty dry there for the last day or so, but the rain is starting to head your way with a deepening south and westerly flow coming in from the central and eastern Gulf. Rain should develop fairly quickly as we head into Wednesday night and into Thursday. With that, periods of heavier rainfall should be expected as we move toward the end of the week as another wave of low pressure works across the central and eastern Gulf. Colder air at this point will be moving into Bristol Bay and areas south of the Pribilofs toward the central and eastern chain. I'll watch for some skies to clear up a little bit as we head out into Thursday night and Friday. Meanwhile, colder, windier weather across Norton Sound and the Seward Peninsula should be expected, with areas of fog across the North Slope. With Alaska statewide weather, this is meteorologist Dave Snyder. You can find us online anytime at weather.gov.